Everyday English, food, weather, and daily life. From A1 sentence to A2 sentence. I am tired.
I am tired.
I am tired from walking.
I am tired from walking.
She is here.
She is here.
She is here to help me.
She is here to help me.
I like fish.
I like fish.
I like grilled fish.
I like grilled fish.
He is a boy.
He is a boy.
He is a boy from my class.
He is a boy from my class.
We are late.
We are late.
We are late for the bus.
We are late for the bus.
I see a dog.
I see a dog.
I see a dog in the street.
I see a dog in the street.
They are loud.
They are loud.
They are loud when they laugh.
They are loud when they laugh.
I am ready.
I am ready.
I am ready for the test.
I am ready for the test.
She is kind.
She is kind.
She is kind to animals.
She is kind to animals.
I like rain.
I like rain.
I like rain in the evening.
I like rain in the evening.
He is old.
He is old.
He is old but strong.
He is old but strong.
I want juice.
I want juice.
I want orange juice.
I want orange juice.
We are home.
We are home.
We are home now, safe and warm.
We are home now, safe and warm.
I like games.
I like games.
I like games with my friends.
I like games with my friends.
She is smart.
She is smart.
She is smart and polite.
She is smart and polite.
I am small.
I am small.
I am small but fast.
I am small but fast.
He is rich.
He is rich.
He is rich and generous.
He is rich and generous.
I like birds.
I like birds.
I like birds in the morning.
I like birds in the morning.
They are nice.
They are nice.
They are nice to my brother.
They are nice to my brother.
I am shy.
I am shy.
I am shy with new people.
I am shy with new people.
She is busy.
She is busy.
She is busy with her baby.
She is busy with her baby.
I like flowers.
I like flowers.
I like flowers in the garden.
I like flowers in the garden.
He is a man.
He is a man.
He is a man with a big heart.
He is a man with a big heart.
We are happy.
We are happy.
We are happy to be together.
We are happy to be together.
I like coffee.
I like coffee.
I like coffee in the morning.
I like coffee in the morning.
She is a nurse.
She is a nurse.
She is a nurse at the hospital.
She is a nurse at the hospital.
I am slow.
I am slow.
I am slow but careful.
I am slow but careful.
He is a cook.
He is a cook.
He is a cook at a hotel.
He is a cook at a hotel.
I like dancing.
I like dancing.
I like dancing with music.
I like dancing with music.
They are quiet.
They are quiet.
They are quiet in the library.
They are quiet in the library.
I want bread.
I want bread.
I want fresh bread.
I want fresh bread.
She is my aunt.
She is my aunt.
She is my aunt from Paris.
She is my aunt from Paris.
I like the sun.
I like the sun.
I like the sun on my face.
I like the sun on my face.
He is my uncle.
He is my uncle.
He is my uncle and my friend.
He is my uncle and my friend.
I am alone.
I am alone.
I am alone in the room.
I am alone in the room.
We are outside.
We are outside.
We are outside in the yard.
We are outside in the yard.
I like the sea.
I like the sea.
I like the sea at sunset.
I like the sea at sunset.
She is my cousin.
She is my cousin.
She is my cousin from Dakar.
She is my cousin from Dakar.
I want to sleep.
I want to sleep.
I want to sleep early tonight.
I want to sleep early tonight.
He is my teacher.
He is my teacher.
He is my English teacher.
He is my English teacher.
I like my room.
I like my room.
I like my room with the blue wall.
I like my room with the blue wall.
They are my friends.
They are my friends.
They are my friends from childhood.
They are my friends from childhood.
I am at home.
I am at home.
I am at home with my family.
I am at home with my family.
She is my sister.
She is my sister.
She is my little sister.
She is my little sister.
I like my phone.
I like my phone.
I like my phone for music.
I like my phone for music.
He is my brother.
He is my brother.
He is my big brother.
He is my big brother.
I want to read.
I want to read.
I want to read a story.
I want to read a story.
We are in class.
We are in class.
We are in class with our teacher.
We are in class with our teacher.
I like my shoes.
I like my shoes.
I like my new black shoes.
I like my new black shoes.
She is my neighbor.
She is my neighbor.
She is my neighbor and my friend.
She is my neighbor and my friend.